Steps to disable location sharing without sending a notification.
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to disable location sharing on your device without sending a notification to others. Privacy is important, and sometimes you might want to keep your location private without alerting everyone around you. So, let's get started.
Accessing location settings.
To disable location sharing without sending a notification, we'll need to access the location settings on your device. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Scroll down and tap on Privacy or Security and Privacy, depending on your device's settings layout. 3. Look for the location option and tap on it to access the location settings.
Disabling location sharing.
Now that we're in the location settings, let's proceed with disabling location sharing without sending a notification. Follow these steps. 1. Find the Location Sharing or Location Services option. It might be located at the top or under a subcategory, depending on your device. 2. Tap on the Location Sharing or Location Services option to open the settings. 3. Here, you'll see a list of apps or services that have access to your location. Review the list carefully to identify the specific app or service you want to disable location sharing for. 4. Once you've identified the app or service, simply toggle off the switch next to its name. This will disable location sharing for that particular app or service.
Verifying location sharing status.
To ensure that location sharing is disabled without sending a notification, it's a good idea to double-check the settings. Here's how. 1. Go back to the main location settings screen by tapping the back button or using the navigation options provided by your device. 2. Look for an option like Location Sharing Status or Location Access to verify the overall status of location sharing on your device. 3. If the status shows that location sharing is disabled, you have successfully disabled it without sending a notification. And that's it. You've successfully disabled location sharing on your device without sending a notification to others. Remember, privacy is essential, and it's great to have control over your location information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and take care.